Hi, I'm Kathy Elliott. I'm an independent Nordic sales consultant, and I'm going to share with you the Spirit Sponge and cleaning the stovetop oven burner grates. Specifically, this is my gas stove. And so, what I have here is the Spirinet. Now, the Spirinets come in a set of two. They're stainless steel balls. I'm just going to get this wet. Just water. You know, we say water in a cloth for our enviro. This is water in a Spirinet. I've done a little bit of work. You can see where it's clean, getting cleaner. Here's a really icky spot. So I'm just going to show you here, just scrubbing it with the Spirinet. Hopefully you can see from this angle. I'm getting the sides here too, where the grease has built up on here. And I just want to do a little bit just to show you how easy it is. I'm just pressing with my thumb into the Spirinet here, getting what I can off. Just gonna keep turning it around here, and just to show you, it's really simple how easy it is with just water and a Spirinet to clean the grease buildup. And it's really important to keep our stovetop burners and the grates there clean, because we don't want a grease fire in our home. Just gonna keep going back and forth here. Oh, here's a really bad spot on it. So I'm just gonna reach in here and do this one. Again, I just wet it that one time, and I'm using my thumb. I'm just pressing down, and voila. And it's coming off. I got some spots down here. And I also want to share with you the cleaning paste. Just going to grab this on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to show you some cleaning paste, because there are the little nooks and crannies down here where it's harder to get into. Just to grab in there and try to clean that right here. Okay, so right in here is what I'm trying to get to. These little nooks here, where it gets tight down inside here. So I'm going to lay this down, grabbing a counter cloth to dry my hands just a bit. Pull the camera over this way just a little bit more. This is our cleaning paste. And I have the utility brush, and I'm just going to get it wet. And I'm going to put a little bit of cleaning paste on here. And find one of those spots here where the grease is down in the corner here. Can't really get to that. A lot of spinning around, I know. Not much scrubbing. So our cleaning paste jars last upwards of 4 to 6 years. Some people longer than 6 years, and some people say, they use it on outdoor furniture, inside tubs, sinks, cleaning the stove, and they say they do it pretty often, and so it may only last them 3 years. But now I'm just going to go back over with the Spirinet and pull this off, and now this corner is much cleaner. I'm not really pressing with it this time, I'm just rubbing it off. And I'm just going to rinse real quick. And I'm just going to keep going until I get it as clean as I want, or the time that allows me. That's the best thing about Norwex, is you pick how long you have. You have 10 or 15 minutes, and you look at your something window, your stovetop, and you say, oh my gosh, that really needs cleaning real quick. Then you can do that. Set a timer for yourself to give yourself permission to actually be done when the timer goes off. If you only wanted to spend 5 minutes cleaning something, set a timer for 5 minutes. It's called the 5-minute rule. And then just be done in that 5-minute time. slot. Trying to hold that so you can see the grease on there. Using my drained opening to help steady it. You know, so yeah, take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, clean something, and then when the timer goes off, decide, do you still have time to keep going, or do you need to walk away now? And that'll give you permission to not have the job done 100%. It's okay not to have a job done 100%. You got done what you could get done in the time that you had allowed yourself, and that works. That's perfect. So here, I'm just going to grab this, just pushing on here. So for the more stubborn sides, or in the little nooks there, if you can't get to it, using the utility brush, and this still has some cleaning paste in it. Just do that real quick here. So yes, there you go. You can connect with me at any time at the www.norwex.com/Kathy, Kathy Elliott, ELLIOTT. I hope to see you in the Norwex adventures. I'm going to continue cleaning my grate using a cloth here to dry my hands real quick to tell you goodbye and thank you for joining me. Have a great day.